Hey guys, Upside Life here with a video. Today we're going to put a light bar on this Xmax, and you're going to start with removing these 4 bolts here. There's one here. You probably can't see, it's too dark. Oh yeah, right there. Right here and there, and then one back there. And okay, we'll start with that. Okay, I've got all these screws removed. 1, 2, 3, and 4 there in the back. They're right here. Now we're gonna remove this cover. This one, yes, I do have a light already hooked on, but I need to make this longer because I can't. It's just in the way of everything. So easily remove this antenna. This is a pain in the butt to remove. Just pop it off. Twist, pop in. There it is. And then I'm doing it in reverse here, but I will unhook it really quick and then plug it in from the way that you will have to install it when you get it. Okay, so now that I did that, this wire here, this one is gonna go through this. You'll see where there's like gaps in wires. You're gonna push it through there. It's gonna go in sort of hard because you gotta push through the mesh of the wires and electronics can get wet. I'm gonna take the screwdriver and I'm gonna push where that. Just put the connector in. I'm gonna push on the wire a little bit. Give it a little push, some slack. Wiggle around in there to where it needs to be. Take it in there. Push the wire back. And then just work it up. And once you get it up, like so, right here, this is gonna go in channel 3. These grooves. Oh, this camera lighting is bad. But there's a groove right here. You can see it. It's like a little sharp edge. This is gonna go in just like this, because that groove's gonna go in that like channel 3. And I'm just gonna push right in there. Push it on my screwdriver a little bit. Make sure it goes in. You'll feel it pop in there. And then that's pretty much done. And yeah. So now I'll plug it in and let you guys see. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the covers back on. This one is a pain. Because this piece here has to go over these. So I like to put it in sideways. Push it in there. It does take a little force. Oh, make sure all your wires are tucked in. So you can't see any of mine other than the one coming out. But it does go under there and up. And then, oh no, I did put it on backwards. My bad, guys. Just flip that around. Like so. Put one corner in at a time. Push on the corner that you're pushing in. And it'll snap right in there in place. And if it snap in there, screw it in, and then there you guys go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and enjoy. These batteries all hooked up here. I know they're sloppy, but it's okay. This light bar is hooked in here. You just want to turn on the receiver. Everything's hooked in there right. Push the power button. And there you guys go. You got light. Hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, a comment, share, subscribe. And that's it. Thank you for watching.